Good morning, students. Today we are taking the 17th problem of miscellaneous exercise. According to that question, we have a sphere of radius r and inside it we have a cylinder whose height is h and should be that height 2r by root 3 for maximum volume. So what we have to do? First we have to take a sphere. Suppose this is our sphere in which a cylinder is made. This is our cylinder. The height of this cylinder is h. This is h. And the radius, this one, of a sphere is r. So this one is h by 2. Now we have to find out the radius of cylinder, that is small r. Now we have to find out this radius, and for that in triangle AOB using PTH, by PTH in triangle AOB, what we get here? OA square is equals to OP square minus AB square, या इधर अपन AB स्क्वायर कर लें तो डायरेक्ट AB की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी, OA स्क्वायर इधर करें. So putting the value r square minus h square by 4. This is our radius, and to get the value of r exactly, taking the square root. This is our radius for cylinder. Now we want to show that the volume of this cylinder should be maximum, and for that we are taking volume of cylinder, which is given by V is equals to pi r square h. The value of r square is this. Substitute in terms of h. So pi h as it is, and the value of r square is r square minus h square by 4. Going to open this bracket, we are having here pi r square h minus pi h cube upon 4. This is our volume. Now we want to differentiate this volume with respect to h. So dV by dh, differentiating dV by dh. Here is pi r square, and in this case 3 by 4 pi h square. Now to get the value of h, dV by dh should be 0. Since dV by ds should be 0, therefore pi r square minus 3 by 4 pi h square is equals to 0, or we can say that pi is cancelled, h square 3 by 4 is equals to r square, so 4 r square by 3, the h square value is now 4 r square by 3. Taking square root of this one, so h equals to 2r by root 3, which is the height of the cylinder. जो हमें प्रूव भी करना था कि height of the cylinder should be 2r by root 3. तो first part तो ये प्रूव हुआ. Now we want to show that the volume of the cylinder should be maximum. Therefore, differentiating once again dV by dh with respect to h. So d2v by dh2 is equals to, here is 0 minus 3 by 2 pi h. And you know if we are putting the value of h here, this negative sign shows that d2v by dh2 is negative. So at d2b ds2 at h equals to 2r by root 3 less than 0, which means negative. And if this one is negative, then we are saying that the volume should be maximum. Therefore, V is maximum. This is the way to show the solution of this problem number. Which one is this? 17th of miscellaneous. तो ये मिसलेनियस यानी 6th चैप्टर का 17th प्रॉब्लम है जो अपन ने यहाँ सॉल्व करके बताया. Now we are talking about the question number 18 of this miscellaneous. In this question, what we have? We have a cone whose height is h and radius is r. Suppose this one is r. Whereas the semi-vertical angle is alpha. Now inside it we have a cylinder. Suppose the radius of this cylinder is x and the height we have to calculate first, and for that we are focusing on above part. Suppose this is also x, this one is alpha, then a and b, c and d. Now we are talking about the short triangle ABE. Look at there. To find out AB distance in triangle ABE, this is our perpendicular and this is our base. Perpendicular and base occurs in tan. So applying tan alpha here, which means x upon AB. To get the value of AB, x upon tan alpha, which means x cot alpha. This is our height AB. And now to find out the height of cylinder, that is BC, subtract this x cot alpha from h. Height of cylinder is given by BC, that is h minus x cot alpha. This is our height of cylinder. Now the radius of cylinder is x and the height of cylinder is this one. Now we have to show that the volume of this cylinder is maximum. Finding the volume of cylinder. Since volume of cylinder is given by V equals to pi r square h. Pi is pi, r means radius of cylinder is x, that's why I write here x square, and h the height BC, h minus x cot alpha. So now we have this one, going to open this one, pi h x square minus pi cot alpha x cube. Now alpha and h are constant here, that's why we are going to differentiating this with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, dv by dx, here is 2 pi h x minus 3 pi cot alpha into x square. Now we know that the value of dv by dx should be 0. Since dv by dx is 0, therefore from here pi x taking as a common, inside the bracket we have 2h minus 3 cos alpha x which is equal to 0. पाई x का डिवाइड 0 में कर दें एंड रेस्ट पार्ट 2h minus 3 cot alpha 3 cot alpha into x equals to 0. Now we have to find out the value of x. For that, shifting 3 cot alpha in that side and then divide. So the value of x is 2h by 3 cot alpha, or we can say 2 by 3h tan alpha. This is the value of x we have, which means the radius. Now on this radius value, we want to show that the volume of this should be maximum. और ये maximum हो, इसके लिए what we have to do? Differentiating this dv by dx once again with respect to x, and at this point we are going to show that the volume is negative. Let's see the double differentiation. 1, this one, here is 2, this one is 3. Differentiating 3 with respect to x, इसको फिर से किया जाए तो d2v by dx2 is equals to, दोबारा डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं, 2 pi h minus 2 come here 6 pi cot alpha into x. This is the value of d2v by dx2. ये हमारे पास आ गया. अब इसके अंदर अपने को x की ये वाली वैल्यू पुट कर देनी यहां. So what we are getting, d2v by dx2 at x equals to 2h by 3 tan alpha. So we are having here 2 pi h as it is minus 6 pi cot alpha as it is, and the value of x is this one, 2h by 3 tan alpha. So what we are having here in this case, look at here, this 3 cancel this 6 2 times, 2 into 2, 4 pi cot alpha into tan alpha 1 and h. So 2 pi h minus 4 pi h will become minus 2 pi h, and hence this value shows as negative value, and negative in the sense maximum. Therefore volume is maximum. If volume is maximum, then now we have to find out the height, the radius. ये भी अब हमें पता करनी है. तो हाइट पता करें सिलेंडर की. एक तो इसने पूछा था अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन कि दैट हाइट ऑफ दिस सिलेंडर शुड बी 1/3 ऑफ कोन. तो लेट्स सी, सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ x हियर. height of cylinder BC, which is h minus x. The value of x is 2h by 3 tan alpha. Substitute here 2h by 3 tan alpha and into cot alpha. So tan alpha into cot alpha becomes 1. Here is h minus 2h by 3 is remaining part, which gives us 1/3h. वो हमें क्या बता रही है कि the height of the cylinder is 1/3 of the height of cone. जो ये प्रूव करता है कि ये चीज एक्चुअल इसी की है. और मैक्सिमम वॉल्यूम भी निकालना हो तो ये वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला है अपना, उसमें आपको x की वैल्यू पुट कर देनी है. तो आप जो इसका सेकंड पार्ट दिखाई दे रहा है क्वेश्चन का, वो भी पता चल जाएगा कि वॉल्यूम क्या है। हाइट ऑफ सिलेंडर इज इक्वल टू 1/3 ऑफ हाइट ऑफ फॉर्म। Hence proof. एक चीज तो ये प्रूव की, द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज प्रूव्ड हियर। नाउ वी वांट टू शो दैट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर इज, since V equals to, in start what we have? In start we have pi r square means x square h. So taking pi x square common inside, h minus x cot alpha. This kind of expressions we have here. Now substitute the value of x here. What is Rx value? Pi into the value of x is 2x by 3 tan alpha. Square of that 4x square by 9 tan square alpha. This is our x square value. X minus x cot alpha, which means BC, and BC we have already calculated here, 1 by 3 h. This is the BC value, and BC value is already calculated here, 1 by 3 h. So multiplying these, 4 by 27 into pi tan square alpha and h cube. What we have to prove? 4 by 3 pi h cube tan square alpha. This is our second hence proved result that volume is this one. तो इस प्रकार से अपन इसके मिसलेनियस के भी जो मेन प्रॉब्लम्स थी वो अपन ने डिस्कस की, और अब मैक्सिमा मिनिमा आपको रेस्ट प्रॉब्लम खुद कर लेनी। बाकी जो कुछ पूछना हो डाउट क्लास में डिस्कस करें।